Hello, my dears. Good afternoon. How are you today? I hope you are fine at home. Okay, before we start our class, first we do prayer. Before starting our class, we should start our class with prayer. So, all of you join your hands. Yes, dears, all of you join your hands. Close your eyes. Start. Om. 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 Open your eyes. Hands down. Yes, my lovely kids. Okay, let us start our class. Okay, so first tell me, which lecture is this? Tell me, which lecture is this? Oh, this lecture is English lecture. Which period is this? This is English period. Okay, and in which class you are? And in which class you are? Tell. I am in nursery class. I study in nursery class. In which class do you study? I study in nursery class. Very good. Okay. And in which class and in which school you are? Tell me. In which school do you study? In which school do you study? I study in Gokuldas Public School. I study in Gokuldas Public School. Very good. Clap all of you. Very good. Okay. Before starting our class, let's have some fun. What? Before starting our class, let's have some fun. Okay. What is this? Raise your hand. This is your hand, na? Raise your hand. Do your hand like this. And roll your hands. Roll your hands. Roll your hands. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Roll your hands. Very good. Fast. Slow. Fast. Slow. Fast. Slow. Yay! Did you enjoy? Yes. So, today we will learn formation of letter H. What we will learn? Today we will learn formation of letter H. H for house. Where do you stay? Where do you stay? In a house, na? Yes. So H for house. H for hat. H for hat. Where you wear hat? On the head. On the head you wear the hat? Yes. H for hat. H for hand. H for hand. You write with your hand? Yes. H for hand. H for hair. H for hair. What is this? This is your hair. What is this? This is a hair. Yes. H for hair. H for hair. H for hammer. H for hammer. Hammer means hathodi. H for hammer. Okay. H for house. H for hat. H for hammer. H for hand. H for hair. H for hair. Okay. Now we will learn formation of letter H. H कैसे लिखते हैं आज हम वो देखेंगे, आज हम सीखेंगे. ओके, so let us start. Okay, which line is this? Which line is this? Standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. So first what we will make? We will make standing line. What we will make? We will make standing line. Okay. Again, what we will do? We will make standing line. Okay. What we will do? We will make standing line. And which line is this? This is sleeping line. Which line is this? This is sleeping line. Okay. So then join the both standing line, sleeping line. Okay. How you will make H? Standing line, and then join the both by sleeping line. H. H for house, H for hat, H for head, H for hand, H for hammer, H for horse. You ride on the horse, na? H for horse. Yes. Okay, look here. How you will write? How you will write letter H? Standing line, and join the both standing line by sleeping line. Okay. How you will write H? Look here. Which line is this? Standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Look here. Standing line. Okay. Standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. So, standing line. Both lines are standing. Which line is this? Standing line. This is standing line. Okay. Standing line. And after that, sleeping line. Which line will come? Sleeping line. Letter H. Which letter is this? Letter H. Standing line, and then sleeping line. Letter H. H for house, H for hat, H for hand, H for hair, H for hammer. Hammer means hathodi. Okay. Now we will start to write letter H in a notebook. Where you will write? In a notebook. Okay. Look here, in your notebook there are 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 4 dot. 4 dot is given on the line. 2 dots on the upper line and 2 dots on the base line. 2 dot on the upper line and 2 dot on the base line. So what we will do? First what we will write? We will write standing line. Okay. Again from dot to dot, again standing line, and in between sleeping line, and in between sleeping line. So which letter is this? This is letter H. Which letter is this? H. How you will write letter H? Standing line, and then sleeping line. Okay. This is letter H. Okay. Again look here. Look here. Yes, dots were given on the line. Yes or not? Yes. So from upper line to base line, standing line, then again upper line to base line, standing line, and then in between join the both standing line. Yes, so sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter H. H for house, H for hat, H for hammer, H for hand. What is this? The hand. H for hand, H for hat. Okay. Again we will learn to write letter H. Which letter is this? Say loudly. Say loudly. Letter H. Letter H. Say loudly. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? Letter H. Say loudly. Say loudly. H. Very good. Again, standing line. Standing line. And then sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter H. Which letter is this? Letter H. H for house, H for hat, H for hand, H for hair, H for hammer, H for horse, H for hand. Okay, so many H for heart. There are so many things from H. Okay, again look here beta, all of you look here, my dears. Yes, all of you look here, my sweet children. Okay, so how to write letter H? Standing line, and then sleeping line, and then sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter H. Which letter is this? Letter H. H for house, H for hat, H for hammer, H for hand, H for hair. Okay, look here. How you will write in your notebook? From first dot, two dots were given. Okay, on the upper line and on the base line. So how you will write? Standing line, and then sleeping line. Okay, write properly and neatly in your notebook. Okay, standing line, and then sleeping line. How you will write? Standing line, and join both the standing line, sleeping line. Letter H. Which letter is this? Letter H. H for house, H for hat, H for hammer, H for hand, H for hair. Okay. Again we will write letter H. Tell your mama to put dots on the line. Okay. What you will do? Tell your mama, put dots on the line. Okay. How you will write? Standing line, and then sleeping line. Standing line, and then sleeping line. Which letter will form? Letter H. Which letter is this? Letter H. H for house, H for hat. You wear hat? Yes. H for hand, H for hair, H for hammer, H for horse, H for hand. Okay. H for hat. Okay, look here, my dear. Sweet children. You're so sweet. Like chocolates? Yes. Okay. Look here, my dears. How you will write letter H? Dots were given na on the lines. Yes. So how you will write letter H? Standing line, and then sleeping line. How you will write? Standing line, and then sleeping line. Letter H. H for house. H for hat. H for hair. H for hand. H for hammer. H for horse. H for hand. Okay. You have to write this in your notebook. So this is your class work. Okay. What you have to do? You have to write this in your notebook. Yes? Good. So good, my dears. Okay. How you will write? Again we will learn to write letter H. So how you will write? You will write by letter. How you will write? Standing line, and then sleeping line. How you will write? Standing line, and then sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter H. H for house. H for hat. H for hair. H for hand. H for hammer. Hammer means hathori. Okay. H for horse. H for hand. Okay. Yes. So last again we will write letter H. Okay. So write neatly. How you will write? Dots were given. Okay. Two dots were given on both the line, upper line and base line. So first you have to write standing line, and you have to join both the standing line, sleeping line. Okay, you have to join both the standing line by making sleeping line. So which letter is this? Letter H. Which letter is this? Letter H. So what you have to do? What you have to do in your notebook? You have to take a paper or you have to draw letter H in your notebook. If you don't have craft paper, then you draw H in your notebook and color it. What you will do? And color it. If you have, if you don't want to do color, you can draw circle. What you will draw? You will draw circle on letter H. Okay, you will draw circle. What you will draw? Circle on letter H. Okay, if you don't have craft paper, then you draw letter H, color it and circle it. Circle in the letter H. What you will do? Circle in letter H. Okay, if you have craft paper, then you cut and paste in the notebook. Okay, cut and paste in the notebook and draw circle. Okay, and circle on letter H. Okay, what you will do? You will, if you don't have craft paper, so you draw letter H and color the letter H, and after that you circle on the letter H, in the letter H. Okay, and if you have craft paper, so you cut standing line and sleeping line. If you have craft paper, then you cut standing line and sleeping line and paste on your notebook and draw circle shape on that H, letter H. So what we have learned today? We have learned letter H. what we have learned? We have learned letter H. From letter H, house, H for house, H for hat, H for hammer, H for hand, H for hair, H for horse. Okay, so what we have learned today? We have learned letter H. So with help of your parents, you practice in your notebook. So you have to say and write. You have to say and write. Not only you are writing. No, you have to say and write. Standing line, sleeping line, H. Letter H. Which letter is this? Letter H. Okay. So at last, you want to sing a rhyme with me. Yes. So you have to do action also. You have to do action also with me. Okay. Rosy red apple, high in the tree. Please, Mr. Wayne, blow one down to me. Please, Mr. Wayne, blow one down to me. Next time we will do again. Okay, next time again we will recite the rhyme. Okay, so till then, bye and have a nice day.